Okie dokie. Sound working? Welcome back. This is part 2. Now, originally I wanted to back up the Windows partition here. Well, actually, I wanted to get a Windows refund, but the salesperson at Lenovo just kept on asking me stupid questions like, can you explain why, and da 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 da. And I did explain, but he didn't seem to get it, and he wanted me to call him. Anyway, I gave up with trying to get the Windows refund. I was thinking of backing up the Windows partitions and so that I could install it on a NUC, because I'm giving the NUC to my mother-in-law. Never mind that. Now I'm just content on deleting everything. So let's start recording here. I'm recording on the screen here. Unfortunately, the HDMI didn't seem to pick up the whole size of the screen, so I've got to be careful to keep within the context here. So first things first, let's just nuke everything. What is it? I'm actually consulting NVMe N1. Yeah, that's the name of the disk. I'm just nuking everything. And then I'm going to install create a partition. Yeah, the first one I want is about 100 megabytes. 100 megabytes? Is that right? Oh no, I did that wrong. Nuke that, yep. New one, start on the first, plus 100 megabyte. No, I want that to be NTFS. It's like EF00, yeah. Then I want new to, oh. Then all right, okay. Goodbye, Windows, goodbye. Yeah, let's have another look at it. Print. Yeah, that looks right. So it's a 0.5 terabyte SSD. So, I'm actually consulting how I did it last time. That's a bit nerve-wracking. I typed in the password wrong. Okay, so it's done that. Now what? I have to open it. The crypt setup. Open dev NVMe N1 P2. Oh, crypt root. Actually, is it really? SysMD has a default name for this crypt thing. I just can't remember it now. Yes. Don't use ButterFS. Stick to the greatest. Okay. Okay, that's what I did last time. Okay, now on slash mount, I mount. Yeah, no, I mount the whole damn thing, don't I? Root. Then in the mount, yeah, that's it. Okay, then a pack strap mount. I think I'm A for away here, guys. I'm A for away. 2 gigabit internet.
Singapore, represent. Backstrap.
Finding my own jokes funny, it's sad, isn't it? So I had a friend, Paolo, in town, Singapore. He's one of those traveler geeks. And he was bigging up NixOS for which he contributes packages to. And it is a bit amazing because there's this like own language and you can define your whole system. But I kind of like doing everything from scratch, actually. I kind of like it. I never remember how to set up things. My mind. Yeah, I gotta do a bootctl install. It's probably it. No, I have to do something else, don't I? What's this doing here? So you can't see that. What's this doing here? Oh, you know what? I don't think I ever. I don't think I actually formatted it properly. Yeah, I'm gonna unmount it. I think I forgot to. Yeah, I think now I'm out. Yeah. Now we can mount you. Oh shit! Shit, rude. Now we can install. Yeah, that looks better. Sorry. Now that looks better. Oh, now we have to go in here and set up some entries. Entry arch.conf neofm. Yeah, I'm using neofm. Okay. Title Arch-X. Actually, can I just copy it over from this other machine? Let's see, why not? What's the IP on this machine? 18. Bootload entries. Okay, probably don't need that one. LTS. Okay, cryptdevice. Actually, I completely forgot where you get this stuff from. Why isn't there a UUID? Okay. Whatever. Sorry, I'm not very good at computers. Is that Invin? Why are you behaving so strangely? What is this? What is this? Okay, I think previous one was working a bit more sensibly there. Do I have them on again? Okay, I got base. I need to change that to system D. What's modconf? What? Why is there Q in there? Stop putting a Q in there, dog. There's something strange going on here with this keyboard. Oh, it should be before file systems. Before file systems comes SD encrypt. Why is that Q there? Go away, Q. I'll just put in. It's probably to do with my font setup. I need to generate locale. No, not SD encrypt. vConsole. Then making it p-linux like that. I never can remember these commands. It doesn't exist? Oh. I'm not in the Shearer's root? No, I am in the Shearer's root. Probably making it... Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Maybe I haven't installed Linux. Oh, you know what? It's because of the boot thing. Because I recreated boot. That's probably why everything's screwed up. Oh, good. Now we're good. Now we're good. I think I'm going to call you T480s because I have no imagination. Just setting up the font. Tur132N. Actually, I'm not just sure if Pacman is installed. I mean, Tim's font's installed. Let's install that. Probably install all sorts of other things. Xorg, GWM, whatever's. That's suckless or something. Okay. Let's just reboot. Pretty much. Time.ctl. Whatever, you can't create a goddamn. I think we're good. Am I missing something? Let's reboot. Come on, get on with it. Out comes the USB stick. It's moaning that the Intel Ucode stuff is not installed. Okay, how do I solve this? You can't see that, but what I'm doing is editing out the init ID of the Intel stuff. Now, oh, it's asking for the password, but let me type in my password. What's it doing? This does not look good. I've probably messed up something. So yesterday was a little embarrassing. I didn't actually get very far. I had problems mounting my encrypted full disk thing using SD encrypt. And the reason I discovered after some debugging, or just trying things for hours, was that I was missing etc crypttab.initramfs. So that crypttab was not being put into the init ID, and hence it was this horrible sort of, timeout where it drops you to the systemd emergency shell, which is pretty darn useless. So now I have it booting without using the installation media. So I think I will set up my system now. This Sunday morning. I was gonna say it would be a lot easier if there was like a script that could just replicate my T480s, yeah. But I actually think it is a good exercise to start from scratch, as you do with Arch Linux. But I am feeling a little bit tired and like I cannot be bothered. I would like to just hang out with my family today. But let's get on with it. So, oh yeah, I need to create a user. You know, I never remember if it's user add or